baria amwe na ngavana wa Baire wa Meru niwe Kiraitu Murungi, ngavana wa Tharaka Nithi Muthomi Njuki, Mutumanchu Ithinkia, mubunge Shadrack Mweti na bangi ni bamwe ba baria baukinyete kirimambura za kumaruka gitene kwa ure urari Bishop wa Diocese ya Meru niwe Celestis Mugambi, atongeria baba bakiuga nande bakaigika Bishop mweru niwe Murugara kenda gwetithia na mbere kaniseje. Aria bagikatha Mugambi na kuga na arari mutongeria umwega na kinya wa kuthikira mwingi mbere ya kujukia etua kinya ririko. Mutugikare ni agutwachio.
Bakeria tongeria mwanya bagi siasa kiathonekea kwira Bishop wa kanisa ya Catholic Diocese ya Meru Urani Celestis Mugambi eteruthera kunoka bwega ni baugite kanisa ya Catholic ni onenia ngwataniro katikati ya kaunti ya Meru na Tharaka Nithi kuonania ni uria chiri kaunti jirende mtu uria uri kuno mwe
to note that Catholic Diocese ya Meru nontu ekava Meru na Tharaka Nithi ne kulivu kerura tukuga 2 counties 1 people kana kuga 2 counties 1 people ikuga antu ba Meru na antu ba Tharaka Nithi ni gintu kimwe na lepo tuture tuketwe gintu kimwe aikire kanisa ya Catholic tugwatithe nwetu na Bishop wetu Murugara ura tuendelee to support kire siasa ni yotu na kithure kindiki na thirikari na kanisa yetajire gintu kimwe.
We normally say 2 counties 1 people, 1 diocese. Na ndio sababu leo tuko hapa tukiwa tumetoka kila pahali ya ile inaitwa Meru, Diocese of Meru.
The Catholic Church is the one which does not recognize a boundary between Meru County and Tharaka Nithi County. Tuendelee kuunganisha watu wetu. They said 2 counties but 1 people.
Kuruki ni baugite ni bathomete utongere bwa Bishop Mugambi buri bwa kionereria kiri baingi kagita kare atongeria kanisa ya Catholic Diocese eji
Alinda who listens and makes a fair and a firm decision, not necessarily the one who talks too much.
And we want to tell you that you have not retired. Neither are you tired. It's a matter of change of the office.
The people of Meru will forever cherish your contribution and the strong foundation you have laid for the church and society.
Bwa kuongera tongeria bane baugite bakagwata mbaru mushikabu Murugara kujokio tongeria Antonia mushikabu Mugambi.
Tunaomba ile siku tutakuja retire hapa pia tupate Bishop Murugara bado anang'arang'ara. Musimpatie stress.
Bishop Murugara, you are highly welcome. You have found and is established a diocese with a pillar, and diocese that speaks one word.
Muthiene ngabana Mutumanchu Ithinkia na niaguchokia ngatho ki Rais William Ruto ni kwa Daktari Julius Bijiwe Kanyaka mubarosi nthiguru ya Vatican City na kinyethira kigwatana na murunga moja wa kanisa ya Catholic ja kwebana na siasa kanisene.
For nominating Dr. Julio Bijiwe as the Kenya's first ambassador to the Holy See, and we thank the Holy See for accepting this historic appointment.
Kumanku buge shigo mbunge kia Southimenti nke report randeto shawero weekendi rea kwa rietwa ni Mutuge Kare.